Subtracting fractions is, well, pretty much identical to adding fractions, so I'll just tack it on here at the end. If you have like fractions, you can just subtract their numerators. 9 minus 3 is 6. So this would be 6 over 20, and I reduce it, divide both the top and the bottom by 2, rather. We get 3/10. If they do not have a common factor, we do need to change them so that they have a common denominator, that is. We need to change them so they have a common denominator, so I'll figure out what my least common denominator here is. Just kind of speeding through this while talking here. Let's see, that's 30. So my least common denominator is 30. For this one, 5 over 6 minus 3 over 10 equals something over 30 minus something over 30. This one I'll multiply top and bottom by 5, giving me 25 over 30. Here I'll multiply top and bottom by 3, giving me 9 over 30. 25 minus 9 is 16 over 30. And then I'll just reduce my fraction. There's a common factor of 2, giving me 8 over 15. 8 is just 2 times 2 times 2. There's no common factors between that and 15, so this would be lowest terms here, 8 over 15. Similarly, if you have mixed numbers, I mean, there are shortcuts you can do on some of these. I don't think it's worth your time to spend learning about some of those shortcuts. Yeah, no, I wouldn't bother. I'm just going to convert these to improper fractions. This is 30 plus 5, which is 35 over 6. This is 18 plus 1, which is 19 over 6. I'll do my subtraction. 35 minus 19 is 16. And then I can reduce this because they're both even, so I can reduce that down to 8/3. Similarly here, this is 24 plus 1, which is 25/4. Here we have 12 plus 3, which is 15/4, giving me 10/4, because they already have a matching denominator. 25 minus 15 is 10. And reducing this, I get 5 over 2. And that's just another one of the same. I'm going to skip it. And the same goes there. Alright, so that is subtracting fractions. You can see it's identical to adding fractions, only it's subtracting at the very end instead of adding.